permitted. Next. Siddham Puja, what happened last time? You not God only knows. Okay. Listen. So got it. This is the way you have to draw. You do Jagratam Cheyali. But one thing I want to tell, in exam, rarely he is asking two product, but I taken three: square block, cylinder, pyramid. He may ask these two combination, he may ask these two combination, or he may ask these two any probability. He may ask all three. Jagratam draw cheyalamma. Getting my point? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Jagratam cheyalamma idu. This is important component. But student will try. I don't know why they are so crazy about these figures. They always do this. This is 15. This is 20. This is 40. Note down చేయండి. Do it. Neatly draw చేయండి. Yes. Yes. Finished.
No, sir.
How it is feeling, Amma? It is very simple, right? Only thing you have to know the logic to place one above the other. If cylinder means 4 center method, that is important. And last, you have to dark like this. It will give very nice pleasure. But it need hell of practice and patience. If you finished, I will go for second problem. I will draw one more to build confidence. I'm taking, actually I can draw one, but always to build confidence in you people, I'm going for 2 sets. But I told that in exam, he will ask only 2 combination. Sometimes he may ask, but we can't say, but 2 is a minimum option.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes, Amma?
Completed, sir.
Okay. Girls, anyone response? Otherwise, I have to change paper. I have to go fresh paper. That's why I'm asking. Bhavana, Siddham Puja,
Yes, sir.
anyone can finish, Rama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Amma. Now, take one more problem. Again, I have to dictate problem from here. Why I am keeping means a cone is placed centrally. A cone is placed centrally. A cone is placed centrally. A cone is placed centrally on the top of a cube. On the top of a cube. A cone is placed centrally on the top of a cube. A cone is placed centrally on the top of a cube with a 40 mm side. With a 40 mm side. With a 40 mm side, which is placed centrally. With a 40 mm side. With a 40 mm side, which is placed centrally. Which is placed centrally over a cylindrical block. Over a cylindrical block. Over a cylindrical block. Full stop. Over a cylindrical block. Full stop. The cone has a 30 mm base diameter. The cone has a 30 mm base diameter. The cone has a 30 mm base diameter and a 40 mm axis and a 40 mm axis and a 40 mm axis and a 40 mm axis. Full stop. The cylindrical block has an cylindrical block has an 80 mm base diameter. Cylindrical block has an 80 mm base diameter and 10 mm thickness and 10 mm thickness and 10 mm thickness. Full stop. Draw isometric projection of the arrangement. Draw isometric projection of the arrangement. Draw isometric projection of the arrangement. Noted down now. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Jagrata mama. Here. What is the given component? Again, center axis. See, I will draw center axis first. "40 on right side because 80 mm. Bottom is 80. So 40. So this is 40, 80, right? See, from here, height 10 mm. Take 10. This is 10 mm. 40 on this side, 40 on this side. This is cylindrical block. Cylinder anteno rectangle kanpadtundamma. Always remember. Then top is cube. Cube is 40 mm. What I told. Cube. Length is equal to width is equal to height. 20 on right side, 20 on left side. Height 40. See, height is 40. Take 20 on right side, 20 on left side. 20, 20. Note down simultaneously. What is that? These are the line diagram, orthographic figure. Compulsory in drawing sheet, it should be visible. This length is 40. This length is 80. This is 80. This is 20. 40. 40. Next. Cylinder is 30 mm. So 15 on right side, 15 on left side. Height 40. See, this is 40. Join them. Again, it is a triangular face. What I told, pyramid, its vertical face is triangle. This is 30. 15 on right side, 15 on left side. See, this is 30. Height ఎంత రాయాలి చూడండి అమ్మా. ఇది parallel line. One stretch దగ్గరలే రాయని. This height, this height, this height, and this height. They want to see what is the total height of the object in the single stretch. See, this is 40. This is 40. This is 10. See, note down. Once finished, let me know.
Yes, sir.
Finished. Right. Listen. Same problem. Only object I chilled. I taken one cone, one cube, again one cylindrical block. Combination I changed. See, Jagrata. Take horizontal line here. Mark one point. Take protractor. Take 30 degree on this side, 30 degree on this side. Draw this line. Draw this side. Draw this side. See, this is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Listen, వినండి జాగ్రత్త. 80. ఇది 80 కింద 80 తీసుకోండమ్మా. ఇది 80. This is also 80. Take 80. 80. So name this as P1, Q1, S1. 80. From here measure 80. What I am doing, how I am tilting means I am checking this base, e base parallel unda leda. 80 roughly parallel kanpadte I will cross verify. It is exactly parallel. Means it will come by judgment amma. So this is P1, Q1, this is R1, S1. Now win and D. 10 height. Okay. Take 10 height. From here 10. From here 10. Take this 10 height. 10. This is 10. So if it is P1, it is P11, R11, S11, Q11. Join them. Every corner height remains same. Box method only 4 corners, amma. So that's why it is not a big problem for us. See, now it is cylinder. Earlier square block, now cylinder, 4 center method. See, 80, 40. Idu 80, 40. This is also 80, bottom is also 40. This bottom is also 40. This side 80, 40. Midpoint, I am taking midpoints. This 80, 40. This midpoint 80, 40. This midpoint 80, 40. See, join them with upper layer. Upper means upper layer. Join with this upper layer with this. I asked you people, you should be expert in 4-centric method. Bottom layer. This is bottom. This is bottom layer. This is bottom layer. See that. Take compass. Take this as a center. See. This as a radius. Draw this arc. This as a center. This as a radius. Draw this. Then this as a center. This as a radius. Draw this. This as a center. This as a radius. Draw this. Bottom. This same 4 center method, amma. Everywhere you have to apply 4 center method. This as a center, this as a radius. Draw. This as a center, this as a radius. Draw. Finish. Here, whenever thickness comes down, either tangent is very neck to neck, tangent is very small. This is cylinder. Once you finish this object, go for cube. Cube how much, amma? 80 minus 40, 40, 40 by 2, 40 by 2, 20. See that.
20.
This is 20 from this side, 20 from this side. Same thing, 20 from this side, 20 from this side. Similarly, 20 from this side, because all sides are 80, 20, 20. జాగ్రత్త point మంచి మార్క్ చేసుకోవాలి. Join these points. See that this line, join these two 20, 20 lines. This point, see. జాగ్రత్త. This is P01, Q01. ఎక్కడ రాస్తున్నాను అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తున్నారా ఈ బాక్స్ దగ్గర S01. Wow, how much height అమ్మా 40. See, from here take 40. ఇది 40. From here take 40. ఇది 40. If it is P01, P011, R011, from here take 40. S011, from here take 40. Q011. Join them. See this, 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 this. See, cube amma idu 40, 40, 40. Then we have cone. Cone with a 30. 30 means 40 minus 30, 10. 10 means divided by 2. 5 mm from this side, 5 mm from this side. 5 mm from this side, 5 mm from this side. 5 mm from this side, 5 mm from this side. 5 mm from this side, 5 mm from this side. Join them. See, this is, join this. Join these two. Join these two. See, this is P, Q, R, S. Take diagonal amma. Take diagonal line. Thank you. Xerox ले लिया? ये अभी भी चाहिए? इसके नीचे. Next, join this diagonal. This center, measure 40 height because cone is symmetrical object. Oh, next, 4 center method apply cheyalamma. Cone means 4 center method. 15. 30 means 15. 30 means 15. 15. Join this. Join this. Join this. Join this line. Apply 4 center method. From here, radius. Draw this line. This as a center, this as a radius. Draw. This as a center, this as a radius. Draw. First draw the tangent line. Apex. Cone has to move towards apex. Idu cone amma. Join this object dark now. This is cone. Once cone is ready, then go for, come from top to bottom, top to bottom. This square blocks, cube. This cube is visible. Take extreme ends of the cube. And this is only visible up to here. Take up to here. This is the axis line. This is the axis line. Join them. When you start doing dark, then you will realize, yes, my figure is perfect. But while drawing, you should be very careful. See this point, join up to here. Join, and this cylinder, you have to draw in a single stretch. Carefully. Neat figure. See, this is bottom line. Cylinder means it has to look like cylinder, not look like it is cylinder only. Got it my point? Getting my point, understanding? Patience kavalama. These figures are very simple, but whatever it may be, we studied cone separately, cube separately, cylinder separately. Now we are placing one above the other in systematic order. Idu rayali 10, 40. Idu 40. This is the way of arrangement, amma. See. If you want, I will make big, but dimension kanpadadu. No doubt. But I'm not happy with this. Why? I will take attendance. Wait. Can anyone tell me? I asked one question. Don't talk now. What I told. I asked you people one question. Can you remember? These all are isometric projections, Amma. Then why you are drawing isometric view? Can you read question? I told that one time I will ask isometric projection. Can you remember? Can you
Yes, sir.
remember that?
Yes,
Idu
sir.
isometric. Yes, sir, అని చెప్తే అయిపోతుందా? ఇది isometric projection, but I not applied 0.816. I not multiplied. No need to multiply, amma. Isometric projection అడగతేను ఇదే చేయాలి, isometric view అడగతేను ఇదే చేయాలి. Then you may ask, then what is the difference? Yes, if he ask isometric projection, he has to provide isometric graph. Can you know about isometric graph anytime? Heard that? Graph. విన్నారా? ఏం లేదు, చూడండి, నోట్ డౌన్ చేయండి. గ్రాఫ్ ఇవ్వాలి. సో హీ వోంట్ ప్రొవైడ్ గ్రాఫ్, వీ వోంట్ ఫాలో హిస్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్. డూ ఇట్ నీట్లీ. అండ్ వన్ సెషన్ వైండ్ అప్, నో నీడ్ టు జాయిన్. చెప్పండి.
Sir, once explain this 4 center method for cylinder, sir.
సిలిండరా? ఏం చేయలేదురా, ఇది సింపుల్. ఫస్ట్ బాక్స్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేశానా? ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
ఆ తర్వాత మిడ్ పాయింట్ కొట్టాను. దిస్ మిడ్ పాయింట్, this midpoint, this midpoint, this. But this is having two faces, top face, bottom face. Bottom face no midpoint kottanu. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then top face joined with top midpoints. Bottom face
Yes,
joined with bottom midpoint. Then I applied center one, top face. Idu center. Andike pair chusukovali. What is I given? P1, P11. So I taken R1, R11. R11 as a center, top face as a radius, drawn the arc. P11 as a center, this as a radius, drawn the arc. Everything I am doing on top face. When I am doing on bottom face, R1 as a center, not P11. So this P1 as a center, internal I not drawn. So that's why no need to worry. R11 as a center, drawn this arc. This as a center, this arc. Simple. 4 center practice cheyali. What I told. Must is 4 center method. whenever thickness is more, no problem. 4 centimeter is very easy. But when thickness is very small, then we may get confusion of which one is upper layer, which one is a bottom layer. Chudamma, idu upper layer, idu bottom layer. 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 Jagratam choose call. Ika idu upper layer, this as a center. You draw an arc. Bottom layer, this as a center. You draw the arc. Upper layer, this as a center, drawn the arc. But idu chesukovalamma. It will come by practice. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Practice chali. Ekku practice kaval. Em adigano what I told. 4 center method perfection ravali. Box method construct cheyal ravali. And then construction of sphere. If you know these 3 components, in 4th and 5th unit, you can solve any problem, anything. But in mood concept clarity ravali. With clarity, what I am talking. Cheyandi. And once session wind up, no need to join. Okay.
Sir, how much syllabus is pending, sir?
Esama,
Syllabus, how much syllabus is pending, sir?
inno 1 unit is pending. 4th to 5th. 5th unit touch cheyaledu. Chesana.
For S05, we didn't have classes, sir. Today is last.
I will take extra class, Amma. I will take extra class.
Okay, sir.
I will give time 1 day before. I will notify. I will take extra class for all section. No need to worry. Because 4th to 5th unit, it is very simple. Only difference between is that now we are dealing cone, cube, cylinder, rectangle, pyramid, prism. These all are regular polygons, Amma. But 5th unit is irregular polygon. 5th unit is irregular. Aim sambandhame ledhu. But very simple. If I teach 4 problems, if you understand, you can solve 400 problems. You can solve 400 problems. But our 4 problems perfect Raval. What I am telling, that you listen my words. I will teach only 4 to 5 problems. But if you understand the concept, I'm not talking about figure, I'm talking about the concept. You can apply simple Pythagoras theorem. Fix unda, variable unda. A plus B whole square formula. Fix
Yes, sir.
A minus B whole square formula. Fix
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A plus B whole cube. A minus B whole cube. Unda. All are formula. I will give 5 formulas. But read question, apply which formula is applicable. Getting my point? For example, Newton's law 1, 2, 3. So I will give Newton's laws, but which one you have to apply, you have to read and apply, and you will understand which one you have to apply. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
జాగ్రత్త అది చెప్తాను. I will take, don't worry about that. Regarding my sections, if I want to finish, I can finish it 2 weeks back, sir. But I am drawing each problem in front of you with realistic nature. Yes, sir. And నాకు ఇది రఫ్ ఫిగర్ డ్రా చేయాలి ఎంత టైం కావాలమ్మా? 2 minutes అమ్మా. నాకు ఏముంది? బట్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ డూయింగ్ దట్. My intention, because I'm giving recordings. Okay, those who are not joined, whatever it may be reason, they can use it. If you read my pattern, you will able to solve. That's why I'm drawing all realistic figures. And Sahil, please keep it in code now, Amma. Yes, sir. Sahil. Sahil is my in
Yes,
charge.
sir.
Yes, sir, Sahil.
Yes, sir. I'm uploading in
Amma.
that YouTube channel, sir.
Okay, Amma. Okay. That's why I'm telling you.
Okay, sir.
Right. For you people only I'm doing. I'm not. Don't worry about that. Syllabus completion is not a matter for me. I can finish this unit in 3 hours. But I've taken almost all 16 hours. I'm going slowly, steadily. Every time I solve 2 problems only. Can you observe? 2 or
Yes,
3.
sir.
I don't want more burden, Amma. Not for you, not for me. కొంచెమే ఫుడ్ చేయాలి, బట్ మంచి క్వాలిటీ ఫుడ్ వాట్ ఐ విల్ సే తినాలి. వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి, తెలుగు ఐ డోంట్ నో. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు హ్యావ్ ఏ ఫుడ్, హ్యావ్ ఏ హైజెనిక్ ఫుడ్. డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఫుడ్ రిగరస్లీ. ఇట్ విల్ గో ఫర్ ఇండైజెషన్. డోంట్ డూ దట్. వెదర్ ఐ టేకన్ అటెండెన్స్ అమ్మా ఇన్ దిస్ స్లాట్?
Yes, sir. Taken.
టేకనా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే. If you finished, I will wind up. No, you want to note down? Okay, no problem. I will keep it up to session ends. Yes, Srikanth, Bhavana. Wind up chayala, avasaram leda? I will keep pics also. Don't worry about that.
Yes,
In
sir.
all 4 groups, I will keep pics also. Shall I wind up?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. See you. Have a